In this video, we're going to discuss the School Analytics Map Layers category. Schools are one of the most important factors of a home purchase decision. With our School Analytics layers, we help you understand so much more than just school attendance zones. The Reviewer Rating Average layer shows the average rating of the school based on online reviews. The Test Score Rating layer is based on the standardized test scores of the school. The Educational Climate Index layer is a national measure of socioeconomic status. The Number of Students layer shows the total number of students in the school. The Students per Grade layer shows the number of students per grade. The Students per Teacher layer shows the average number of students per teacher at the school. The Number of Teachers layer shows the total amount of teachers at the school. The College Bound layer shows the percentage of seniors that graduate from the high school. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.